Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Ricalyn A. Lumanog. I'm from the Apple Philippines, female system engineer of the Philippines. They call me as the youngest system engineer of the Philippines. I've been working with different sector. First of all is enterprise and education sector. I've been working a lot of IT professional here in the Philippines, working together integration of Apple technology. I've been working a lot in terms of Apple IT professional field. So, nakikipag-collaborate ako sa mga IT in terms of integration of Apple technology, both enterprise and education. I'm also the youngest female system engineer of the group, so it's really hard for me to be, to really represent myself as the youngest female engineer kasi pag nag-work ka sa IT field, there's a lot of people and then there's a lot of you've been working a lot with um men. So sa lahat ng lalaki na 'yon. So yung professional field ko is both not really easy a lot in terms of the Apple technology kasi hindi siya ganun ka well known here in the Philippines, especially sa mga ginagawa rito. So, yung field ko is more on, I've been a trainer and also helping a lot of IT professional here in the Philippines. So, lahat ng integration, implementation, networking, and then the system, been working a lot in enterprise. So, ako yung tumutulong nun. Yung typical day na lagi kong na-encounter sa buhay ko, first of all yung technology, pag-debug ng mga deployment ng mga Apple devices. And the second thing is how you gonna handle all of the people that under you. Maybe one of enjoying moment of my life is yung magta-travel ako, especially yung mag-aaral din ako in terms of the technology. Because around here in the Philippines, halos malibot ko na lahat eh. So, yung paglibot ko na yon, dun ko rin na-realize sa sarili ko how capable I am, kung paano rin ako nakaka-influence sa tao. Hindi lang naman in terms of travel yun eh. Relationship rin yun kung paano mo mabubuo yung sarili mo and then mabubuo yung relationship mo sa ibang tao. And especially, yung pinakahula sa lahat is integration of technology. Kasi yung technology, mabilis siyang mag-evolve. So, each day, I really learned a lot. So, yung mga learnings ko na yon is nakukuha ko lang din lahat yon sa mga taong nasa paligid ko. Lalo na yung mga bagay na hindi ko alam, especially sa technology and technical aspect, but also the learnings of life, how I'm gonna handle everything. Mentor ko, family, and then yung youngest self. Siguro mag-start muna ako sa mentor. Walang magiging engineer Ricalyn Lumanog kung wala yung professor ko during my college days and senior high school. Because sila talaga yung totally naniwala sa kakayahan ko kung ano man meron ako ngayon. At hindi rin yon magiging successful lahat, kundi nang dahil din sa kanila. Because they really mold me into an engineer girl that hindi mo aakalain at the youngest age magiging system engineer siya. Hindi mo talaga totally kailangan na sundin yung mga bagay o yung mga nakikita mong bagay na nakikita mong tao na kailangan yun. Hindi ibig sabihin na nakita mo siyang ganun is susundin mo na siya. Yung bagay na yun is ibibigay siya sa'yo kung para sa'yo talaga yun, bagay na yun.